Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you simply how you can save images optimized for WordPress, or even how you can shrink your files, your media files for WordPress, so you can save some space. And it's really simple. So you want to go on a site called TinyPNGcom, right? Oh my god. Like this. So just ignore that. Like, this is normal save site. So what you want to do now is, when you're gonna have some photo here, which is, I don't know, I have a dog here, right? I can see that it's like the size is 50 kilobytes. Take it and just paste it, and it's confirmed. But this is really good if you have some large photo. Yeah, I'm going to use my thumbnail photos I was making, and I know that this one here, so I don't know. Yeah, this one here is good, under 5 megabytes. That's what we are looking for. So paste it. Let's see how it's going to compress. I'm really curious. What is going to be the result? As you can see, perfect. From 3.6 megabytes to the 500 kilobytes. 86%. So, and now when I'm going to upload it on our website, now as you can see again, 86%. When I'm going to upload it on website, it will load much faster. So that's really, really good. And this is how you can do it all the time. And it's much better. So this is how you can compress your PNG and JPEG files. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. And this is how you do it. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.